Hello everyone, just wanted to make a really quick video regarding the Unity engine on Linux, specifically the Unityhub downloader. As of the current version, which I believe is 2.3.0, launching it from the menu will not launch it. It would just not do anything. So what I found, which was posted on the AUR for this listing for the Unityhub, you would go to, oops, wrong folder. You would go to user bin and then open your terminal there and then type sudo whatever editor you use, Unityhub. Type in your password, and then the issue is there's a space between the pound sign and the exclamation. You just backspace to get rid of that space between the pound and exclamation, and then that's literally all it is. So I'm not too sure how many people have had this issue, but hopefully this helps.